up, YouTube? Today I am on my way to Quad Camp Knoxville. It's over at Joshua Bardwell's house. I was fortunate enough yesterday to be able to rip with some of the Rotor-Right guys over there and help set up some things. I didn't really help a lot. I just kind of stood around. But anyway, I'm on my way over there. Let's see what we can get, kind of shots we can get from Quad Camp today. I ripped Bardwell's yard yesterday. I think I already said that. Did a little edit from there. Probably not going to get a lot of flying in today. Today is like the camp day where we're going to, where we're going to like teach. I'm not teaching. I mean, I'll be glad to help if they need me to help, but anyway, let's do this. Hey buddy, say what's up to YouTube?
What's up YouTube?
That's right.
Now, thank you for coming to Quad Camp. I say that at every Quad Camp, but at this one especially because it's my Quad Camp. It's at my house. Thank you guys so much for being here. I also, I don't know if you guys know this, but I announced this to my Patreon and my email list first, and it sold out instantly. So just, I'm thinking all of you guys are either patrons or on my email list. Thank you especially for that. Very happy to have you here. Let's see, we're gonna do check-in, where we're gonna check, you haven't done that yet. We're gonna do check-in, so everybody's gonna need to check in with Kevin. You could just make sure you bought a ticket.
Dang it, I just missed an opportunity to see if Stingy power loop me. Bob's about to fly the alien. It's gonna explode into a million pieces. Huh? No, man, you gotta just like break a leg. Break an arm! Break an arm!
It sure is pretty.
Break a prop! Bob, break a prop! What's up?
Bob's getting ready to maiden a princess.
What's up, YouTube?
What's up, YouTube? Tommy, have you ever been on YouTube? You're gonna be on YouTube now.
I've never been on YouTube before. We're out here at the flight line, over at the Bardwell Ranch. You chilling in the shade over there?
I love it.
Bob's about to rip the alien, the Mr. Steel alien for the first time.
For the build video, they wanted me to use the TBS. Flight one did. They're like, just use TBS, it's just easier. I'm like, it's not easier at all. Have you ever actually tried to use the TBS one? It's like, wait for 3 beeps and then do this and then do that. It was literally like an hour ordeal just to change the fucking milliwatt.
Where are you going?
That's what I'm sure it worked.
Whoa, what is that?
I don't know. It might be my tune.
That's not a tune. Yeah, it is. I don't know.
Maybe my tune doesn't like this. Let me go look at it.
Telemetry lost.
Motors aren't
Could
hot.
be a janked up props too.
Well, how bad are the props? No, those props
Bob,
aren't
let's
bad.
put some freshies on there, man.
No, those props aren't bad.
Well, flight one didn't go as well as the Kiss Maiden did. Well, guys, that concludes Quad Camp Day 1. Tomorrow is supposed to be fly day. I don't know what we'll see. I come out here with Peckerwood, and we come out here to, what is this? The lake?
This is Lakeshore Park.
Lakeshore Park. This is a cool little awning right here. Rip that up a little bit. Throw in the footage right here. anyway, guys, had a blast. I hope tomorrow's going to be just as good. We're going to rip. So tune in for day 2. See ya.
No.